Hi, I'm Justine.
And I'm Lou.
And we're two Brooch Girls. And today we're bringing you an unboxing of a blind box from Kinks and Quirks.
This box cost us 100 American dollars and there are 10 pieces inside. They could be earrings, brooches or necklaces. And it is a flat rate of $10 US for postage, which is really great value for money.
So that's international postage. So wherever you are in the world, that $10 US is a flat rate. All right, shall we get into it, Lou?
Yes, let's.
Now, before we do, when we bought this blind box, I actually couldn't resist getting one piece from the Johanna Parker and Lipstick and Chrome collaboration, and it was this jolly old fellow, and I saw him last year at Christmas, and I really loved him, but I just didn't manage to get him, and I thought, well,
why not?
Why not? If we're getting them, I would really like him. And you can see he's just a really jolly old fellow. I love his shape. He's actually got a bit of a Christmas tree shape to him, which I also really like. I love, with Lipstick and Chrome brooches, they come with these backing cards, and he's a really lovely size as well. Gorgeous piece. So I wanted to show you that one. All right, let's get into it, Lou.
So we have our box here. Let's get it opened.
Some lovely bubble wrap to make sure everything's safe.
And we have the lovely little card from Quirks with, on the back, it's two Brooch Girls, thanks for your order, Quirks, Lipstick and Chrome.
And
so,
it's handwritten. That's really
nice. We love that.
Yeah, it's a nice
That's
touch.
Important to us.
Kinks and Quirks also send out these little cards which actually tell you who picks and packs your order, which I think is quite nice. So this one says, hello, I'm Amber and I perfectly picked and packed your parcel. Thank you for that tongue twister, Kinks and Quirks. All right, ooh.
Okay.
Starting off with something lovely, we have got, so this would probably tie in with the Lipstick and Chrome, not Christmas, Circus.
Yes,
Circus
possibly.
collection. So, okay, so we've got some goodies in here. Lou, if I hand them out, can you maybe show them?
So we have, so it's like a little, what would you call that?
That's
like
a keychain, I think.
Keychain,
yes.
Yes.
So it's got a little hole at the top, so you can thread that through, and that's one of the classic Lipstick and Chrome Pinup Girls.
Yeah. With the little
Disney Mickey Mouse ears.
Where I'm just getting it there.
Got a little lollipop. Ooh, we've got something else in here. Get it out. Ooh, look what I got. We got. Whoops.
You're touching it.
Maybe I'm bagsing this one. And so this is the same as this one, but it's in a tiny little pin.
You do love a good mini.
Look at how cute that is. That is so super cute. Oh my goodness. And that's not even the blind box. This is just like the little goodie bag. And there are there's a lot of glitter in here, and we've got a lovely little sticker. So lovely goodies. All right, let's go.
Okay.
Lou.
All right, let's have a look. Oh, so our very first one is a Lally blue brooch, and Justine and I love Lally blue. So this is a peapot.
And that's from the Nature Collection,
From the Nature
right?
Collection, yes. Should I get it
Let
out?
me take it out and have a look.
Okay, so this is
That's
these.
gonna go away.
So we've got lots of packaging to keep it nice and straight in transit. And then we have so this particular one is the painted design.
It's so pretty. It's so whimsical, isn't it? Like
Those beautiful little pea faces. That lovely green. It's wooden and pin placement is there at the back with that with the Lally blue maker's mark.
Gorgeous.
So that's very cute.
We'll put that one on. Because we're not wearing any brooches, you can see we're brooch naked.
Brooch naked.
So we thought we'd dress up. All right. Oh, the next one. Okay. So this is a Lipstick and Chrome brooch, and it is from their Valentine's collection, and it's Lovebug. And I love this little Valentine's guy because I call my daughter Lovebug. And so this is really, really Just so many lovely details here. So it's, I'm pretty sure this one's also a collaboration with Johanna Parker. It's got, you can see the little sweet little face, the micro glitter detail, the heart, like it's like the Lovebug's wearing a little outfit, and these are actually raised little pearl buttons that are very, very sweet. And look what we got. So we've got some gorgeous matchy earrings to go with this great brooch.
That's great.
Brilliant.
I just cannot get this little one on. I'm all toes. So I don't.
Well,
I don't know.
Gonna get this one
You're
on.
going to get that one
you
on.
keep
Well,
going.
I'm going to go in again. So we also have this lipstick in chrome. From the Circus collection, it looks this juggling girl. Let me get that out of the plastic. The plastic's very reflective. That looks lovely on that dress.
It's a great size too.
So,
The earrings are really pretty too.
the acrylic on these is just beautiful, so rounded
It
on
is,
the edges.
Isn't it? It's a really high quality design and make, and of course the pins are the locking, so they have the locking mechanism, and as you can see, these earrings are they're a really perfect match.
So here is our juggling Circus Girl,
Oh, isn't she gorgeous?
and it's got that clear acrylic there, so her juggling balls
Yes.
look like they're just up in the air.
Yeah,
So
fine, yeah. It actually looks really nice against that colour because it's got so much colour in the brooch.
really pops.
Really pops against that lighter background.
It's beautiful.
Very pretty.
I'll try and put this one on.
Okay, all right, so the next one, oh, look at this cutie. So this is one by Lipstick and Chrome and Vinca, and it's a collab. So I'll show you this one a little bit closer, and it's a bit of like a retro, I call this one a retro Starburst really, and it's a smaller brooch, so you can see it's got a tiny little pin there, but it's got a beautiful etched detail. So you've got a gold mirror, then you've got the white, and you've got that little etched detail at the top. So this would be a really lovely piece to actually double brooch, and I think it would look lovely against a darker background. So
Yes,
maybe
yeah.
like a black top or something like that. Would anything with a space theme as well, that would really
looks
cute.
Really good.
Okay, next one.
All right, let's have a look what we've got in here. Oh, we have another lipstick in chrome. Another one of the Pinup. Oh, I'm going to take it out of the plastic's just very reflective. Another one of the Pinup Girls, and she is very green.
Well, she's
She
gorgeous.
is
She's a
very
Halloween.
Halloweeny. Look at that stunning green colour. I'll get her off this.
Isn't she fun? She looks like she's doing like the Charleston, or something like that. Something really cute. And
The quality of these cards is exceptional,
Yeah.
really lovely and thick, and you know that they're not going to get bent and therefore damage the brooches. So look, there she is. It is very much a Charleston kit, and I do believe she's got a bit of a matching hair to us today.
Oh, she does. She's got the victory rolls happening. Oh, I love it. That
So I'm going to just pop her next to this,
good
this
idea.
other one. Yeah, so really that green is just such a beautiful green.
Okay, the next one, this is literally me in brooch form. Ta-da! So this is the Lipstick and Chrome, very much 1980s roller skate. Lou's laughing because she knows I'm right. This piece is stunning. It is just awesome. Actually,
those colours.
Yeah,
you
it
want
is.
that one on
It
now.
is. Yeah, it just those colours are the quality of these. The cardstock's
Yeah, it is
really
really
amazing
good.
too. And each piece is different and has its own little bits and pieces. Like if it's in a collaboration, then they have the information on the back. So that's really lovely too. Okay, so the pin placement for this is actually a diagonal pin placement. And once again, all of these beautiful Lipstick and Chrome brooches have got the locking mechanism. But look at that. So this little guy has got these great teal wheels, and the little back bit is teal as well. We've got lots of glitter happening here with a glitter stopper. Remember those on the old roller skates? We've got a great yellow lightning bolt and yellow laces, and then the pink micro glitter happening there. And this is
great colours.
This is just fun. It's just fun.
It is really lovely.
All right, I'm going to put this one on.
I knew you would.
Yeah.
All right, getting in still here, and we have a She Loves Blooms piece.
Oh, wow.
Neither of us have
No.
any She Loves Blooms piece, so this is our first.
This box is like, I just
box
can't
just keeps giving.
get over value for money. Like in terms of, I mean, remember this this box cost us $100. So you're really, everything's working out to $10 a piece. That's pretty much, that's so cool.
So the She Loves Blooms card is lovely with that gorgeous, with the pastel stripes and then that beautiful floral part at the top. And let's have a look at this beautiful, beautiful girl. Look at that with her little...
She's lovely, isn't she?
Yeah,
With her scarf in her hair and
such a lovely... and then it's got pin placement and it's got the screws.
yeah.
It has.
Yeah.
I'm not very good without my glasses. So,
Yeah, it does.
You know, so this one is actually being screwed in,
Yeah.
which is really a great detail. So look at her.
And look at that French bulldog. That is going to look so good with Fabian from the Erstwalder
Latest
band
release.
favourites.
Yes,
That is gorgeous.
I didn't get Fabian, so I can imagine where this piece is going to live.
All right. Ooh, so we have two more pieces to go. Okay, so this one is a Daisy Jean floral piece, and Daisy Jean Floral is an Australian maker, and woo! So Daisy Jean recently released a food range, and this is so good. This is a fantastic donut.
Oh, that looks delicious.
It does.
Look at that pink icing.
Look at that pink. It's all swirly, and you've got all the different little sprinkled, and these feel like they're hand painted detail.
Oh, lovely.
All these little sprinkles. And then the thing I love about Daisy Jean is also the maker mark on the back, and it's got the year 2020.
That's a nice touch, isn't it?
It is. And that horizontal pin placement at the top, and once again the locking mechanism.
Excellent.
So every single one of these brooches that we've got so far, the quality has just been, it's like,
Can I try that
Yeah.
donut on this one?
it's amazing. Oh, that really pops. Yeah, you need to wear that one. Yeah.
Popping the donut on.
Popping the donut on.
Do with a big box of donuts.
That'll be yum. If you would like to sponsor Two Brooch Girls, and you work for Krispy Kreme or Daniel's Donuts, you know, DM us.
It actually looks like it could be lickable.
It does. It looks really good. It looks beautiful on
Delicious.
that colour as well.
Yeah.
I think that's what Miss Joy Curve Pinup calls colour blocking.
Oh,
Would that be
yes,
correct?
It could be.
Yes.
It could be.
Oh, and I
Alright.
actually love those two together. That's like super fun. That's like, I'm
Yeah.
going to go to the circus and I'm going to eat a donut.
Absolutely.
All right, your
there
turn, last
is
one.
One more in the box. There's lots of beautiful little
Yeah.
glitter as well, but it is an Erstwalder piece
Holy guacamole.
from the Peanuts release. Let's have a look in here.
Oh!
We don't have this
Neither of
one.
us have this
either of
one.
us. So we have got Joe Cool. Look at him there.
That is,
Too cool for school.
that is so great.
It
That
is,
And I mean,
yeah.
that brooch retails for, I think they were $49.95
so, yeah.
AUD. That one brooch. Just the value for money in this blind box is amazing. Oh, that looks good too. He actually looks really good with the Circus Girl because you've got the reds as well. He's like, hey, how you doing?
I'll put him on that side.
Yeah.
Hey.
Gorgeous.
Okay. Well, wow.
We are at the end of our box. Thank you so much for joining us today for our unboxing. We hope that you enjoyed it. head on over to Kinks and Quirks. They have a whole heap of different blind boxes. This is the one where you get the 10 pieces for $100 US. Remember, $10 flat rate international postage, which is also amazing, an amazing price. Really good value for money.
We actually made a note about the necklaces because
Yeah, we
neither
did.
Justine or I wear a lot of necklaces. It's hard to do that when you're wearing several brooches. So the ladies at Lipstick and at Kinks and Quirks were very accommodating with that. So that was wonderful.
Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.